Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating the right canvas. Choose the aspect ratio you need and import the highest resolution image available. Once done, tap the photo and select Edit Photo so you get direct access to crop, auto-enhance, and preset filters. Do this first to set composition and base color. It streamlines every following adjustment. Make sure to name the project and save a copy before heavy edits so you can revert if needed. Now refine the image by balancing tone and detail. First, adjust exposure and contrast to set midtones and depth, then tame highlights and open shadows so nothing clips. Next, correct color using temperature, tint, saturation, and vibrance. This targets mood and skin tones. After color, sharpen selectively and use structure or noise reduction to enhance texture without introducing artifacts. If you need local finish by exporting with the right settings. Choose PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller files, set quality and exact dimensions, and toggle compression if file size matters. Before export, run a final check with background remover, crop to frame, and use the heal tool for stray blemishes. If colors look off after export, it's usually a color profile or compression issue. Re-export in sRGB, compare formats, and reduce compression until the result matches your screen preview.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.